Hi guys, today I'm gonna remove the FRP from the Motorola G7. This method also works on the G7 Power, G7 Play and all of the 9.0 version, Android version, and with the latest security of the phones in the Motorola. So as you can see, I'm going to show you that there's a Google account. I'll take a just sec. Okay, use my Google account instead. So as you can see that it's saying that verify your account with your Google account. This device was reset to continue sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. So as you can see that I'm pressing next, but it do nothing and it's not going to the welcome screen. So what you have to do is that you have to just go back. First I will show you that you should have, it's compulsory that you should have an available Wi-Fi network. As you can see that my Wi-Fi network is connected. So just go back. Now just go into the language. There you have to change your language into this language, which you will see. I could not spell it. Okay, and the first one. So as you can see, it's done. Now just select this option. Now double tap on the above, then on the corner, and then this option plus. Now you have to search here by pressing the corner button. Now what you have to do is that you have to press and hold this globe option. As you can see, now what you have to do is that you have to go into this option. Okay, press this option, and now what you have to do is that you have to go into the first option. Here you have to select these three dot buttons and then the second option. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the first option of the switch access Android. Here we have this thing. You have to press on the YouTube logo again. Here you have to go into the share button and then the three dots. As you can see that here you have your YouTube opened. Now you have to go into the user. Now the second one. As you can see that now here it's the Chrome now. Agree, not now. Now what you have to do is that you have to search here. As you can see that it's not English language. So what you have to do is that you have to press and hold the space button and you have to search for QWERTY. Okay, you have pressed QWERTY. Now what you have to do is that you have to type vnrom bypass, vnrom.net/bypass. That's the third one, as you can see. Okay, it's now being browsed. Now what you have to do is that you have to install 3 apps. Okay, so what we have to install is that first of all you have to install the Android 6 APK. Agree and install this thing. Okay, now it's installed. Now what you have to do is that you have to install the FRP bypass.apk. It's okay. Okay, now it's also installed. Now you have to install the Apex launcher and okay. Now just open the Apex launcher by going to this option and then turning on this option. Go back and install this thing. Open this. So okay, as you can see that I am in my launcher now. It's the Apex launcher. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to the setting you have to first of all change the language, okay, as it is the main thing. So first of all you have to press the bottomest, the most bottom one option. Now this Gboard, and this is the first one, and here you have to go to the plus sign and the English, as you can see. Now you have to press and hold this option and drag downward. As you can see that English is now upward, so English is now our language now, okay. Now what you have to is that I have done this thing. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to the setting. You have to go to the setting. You have to go to the security and location. Now you have to go to device admin apps. Here you have to disable this thing. Deactivate this device admin app. Okay. Now what you have to do is that you have to go back, again back, and again back. Now search for the files. As you can see, I have downloaded these things. First of all, you have to install the Android 6 GM APK. Allow from the source. Now go back, install this thing. Now done. Now the FRP by password APK. Install this thing also, and open this thing. Now you have to press this 3 dot option, and then the browser sign in. Now go to the OK. Here you have to enter your own, any of your email address what you can remember. So I am just putting my own. After this you have to enter your password. I'm just entering my password now. Okay, so I have signed into my account. I will show you in the settings, accounts. As you can see, this was my account which I have signed in. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to the Chrome. Here you have to write find my device. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to go to this find my device Google. Here you have to enter your account which I have entered. Okay, let's go next. Here you have to I sign in my account. Okay, so as you can see, now dismiss it. Okay, just to refresh. Okay, it's contacting device. Now here's the setup, secure and erase. Notification sent. Once it has connect, okay, it can't reach device. Again do it. Okay, it's now online now. As you can see, it's showing my charging everything. Setup, secure and erase. Okay, setup, secure and erase. Okay, let's go back and go into the second one, this thing. Here you have to sign in. And now your password. Okay, now as you can see, Motorola Moto G7. Now first of all, lock your phone. Set a password to lock your screen. Okay, so I would select password 1234 and lock. Okay, so locked by find my device. So I will enter my password. Now what you have to do is that you have to consider erasing your device, and you have to just erase your phone, erase all data. It would take a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's factory resetted now, and it's just booting up now to the startup menu. As you can see that it's the back of the Motorola Moto G7, so it's a nice one. Now I'm going start, skip. Here you have to enter your Wi-Fi password. Okay, I'm entering my password. It's checking for updates. This may take some few minutes. Don't copy. Just a second. Now just skip. More, accept, skip. Here you have to just skip this thing. Okay, it's adding finishing touches. Accept and continue. I got permission, everything. And now as you can see that it's now your phone. Okay, it's completely yours, and it is now free from your Google account or FRP factory reset protection. So about phone, it's the Motorola G7.